The speaker delves deep into human psychology, exploring why caring too much or trying too hard in relationships can often lead to rejection, frustration, and emotional pain. The message centers around reclaiming your personal power, shifting the dynamics in relationships, and cultivating self-respect and confidence. Overcaring and the loneliness trap. The video starts by addressing a painful truth. The more you give in a relationship, the lonelier you may feel. You may pour your heart, energy, and time into someone, sacrificing your own needs and dreams, only to watch them pull away. This situation can feel unfair and confusing, especially when you're acting out of love and devotion. However, the key issue isn't the care you give, but how that care is perceived by the other person. The speaker points out that when you place someone at the center of your world, they often see your care not as a gift, but as something that burdens them. Desperation versus attraction. One of the central ideas explored is the idea that the more you chase someone, the faster they run. People are drawn to strength, confidence, and independence, not desperation masked as affection. When you give too much, too freely, it can become overwhelming, even suffocating. This overcaring doesn't foster gratitude or deeper connection. Instead, it replaces attraction with obligation. By shifting your focus away from chasing approval and towards building your own sense of worth and independence, you begin to create a more balanced and respectful dynamic. Self-worth and power. A major theme in the video is understanding and claiming your own worth. The speaker emphasizes that your value is not up for negotiation. When you stop seeking validation from others and begin to focus on your own passions, purpose, and self-respect, you naturally draw people to you. The speaker urges viewers to internalize the mantra, "I am enough." This simple declaration is framed not just as an affirmation, but as a powerful battle cry against seeking approval from others. True strength comes from within, and the moment you stop begging for attention, you command respect. The dangers of emotional decision-making. The video also tackles the issue of emotional decision-making. Acting out of desperation, fear, or insecurity, whether through excessive texting, apologizing, or over-explaining, can undermine your dignity and weaken your position in a relationship. The speaker encourages viewers to acknowledge their emotions, but not let those feelings dictate their actions. Mastery over your emotions is key to maintaining personal power and emotional stability. Strength over love. A crucial insight shared in the video is that strength is more attractive than love alone. Love may ignite the spark, but strength, resilience, emotional stability, and the ability to endure is what keeps the relationship alive. When life's challenges arise, people are drawn to those who are unshakable and can weather storms without falling apart. The message here is clear: strength, not perfection, is what makes you truly attractive and unforgettable. Avoiding over-effort and pursuit. The video concludes by discussing how trying too hard often results in the opposite of what you desire. Over-effort and constantly trying to please someone not only diminish your value, but can also make you invisible. The speaker explains that true attraction is based on balance and confidence, not on sacrificing your dignity to be noticed. When you focus on your own life, passions, and goals, you naturally become more magnetic. By stopping the chase and allowing others to come to you, the power dynamic shifts. Ultimately, the video encourages viewers to stop playing small, stop begging for attention, and instead embrace their own worth. When you live with purpose and focus on becoming the best version of yourself, you create relationships based on mutual respect and emotional connection, not desperation.